now we are doing the wing. And we're just cutting it right now. This is my neighbor.
Hello?
Without him, I would throw this bumper away.
I almost hit my noggin earlier.
Who says noggin? Nobody says noggin. Do you say noggin? I don't know anybody who says noggin. It's the head or dome. A lot of things have happened to my car since. I got wheels. I got a wing. I got a whole bunch of cleaning supplies that you probably can't see. But hey, we're gonna get into this video. Gonna be doing a chassis mounted wing. Show you how to do it. Hey, hey, we're getting close. We're getting close. Okay, so since we didn't film the first process, which was like what, 2 weeks ago, we measured. This is the center point right here, and we measured it outward to see how far this was. Well, no, okay. So I measured this thing first, all across, and I cut it in. Like I divided it by 2 in half, and I measured it from here to here. Then I just put a little marking tape for reference. Then we put a little slit right here, and so you could see on both sides where it was and which way we needed to go. So we decided to go right, and right on both sides. So the method is little cuts fit, little cuts fit. But that measurement is what really helps us out. But with the Dremel, it keeps picking up this plastic, so it keeps putting like little indentations. So make sure you keep taking off that plastic. You see that? See, look, there's that little indentation right there. Just make sure you take off the plastic. Hi. What?
Your bumper, it made love to my tool. It's now stuck.
Wait, your bumper? That's good though, right?
No.
What? Say no to cutting. Looks good. And now we're just gonna put the bolt on.
The fucking light.
Oh, you can put it cutting and fitting.
It's weird because we needed to cut this low to get it in, but now there's an overhang.
If I decide to go wingless just for a few, you know, save some miles per gallon, they'll just have this sticking out. They'll be like, wow, look at that little tiny little duck bill, bro.
It'll look like a, I don't know, like horns on a
You can't see my exhaust no more. Everybody, when I first took it off, everybody was like, whoa, did you get a new exhaust too? No, it's just been there. That's how much shows. Oh well, we're gonna put it on, see what it looks. But this is what it looks like with it on. Looks nicer, way nicer. Yeah. All right. I don't know what we're gonna do now, but we're gonna do something.
Make sure you do it right. You missed a spot over.
Where? So I was sitting here editing my video and I realized that I didn't film my outro. So here I am filming the outro. Yeah, that's the end of the video. But if you have any other questions, any worries, just leave them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and thank you all for watching. Peace out.